This is catering to the traffic coming from Mangalore, Hassan side, Tumkuru side, Hubballi, Dharwad side, and also all the way to Delhi. So Yeshwantpur station is being taken up as a major redevelopment program where more than 350 crore rupees is being invested to develop this as a world-class railway station. We are on the second side of the railway station, the second entry. So what is our Prime Minister's vision to connect both sides of the city using the railway station? That is getting realized by the design of this station. So both sides will get connected, both sides will have an entry, and there will be a roof plaza, very broad, very big roof plaza where people can wait in a very comfortable way, children can play, local products can be displayed and sold. So in a very nice way, what we have seen in all over the world, that kind of railway station is being developed at Yeshwanthpur. I also instructed the team today that this station will be catering to huge traffic in the coming 20-30 years, because suburban is joining here, metro is joining here. So that entire multimodal integration between suburban, mainline railway and metro should be done. And secondly, to cater to additional traffic in the coming years, we should keep the land available. Whatever, even if 1 meter land is available anywhere, that land should be kept free for expanding in the future. And if possible, wherever possible, we should try to make the master plan in a way by which the expansion can be done today itself. That's what I've instructed the team. Oh yes. Karnataka will get many more Vande Bharats.
Sir, what is the cost of this project, sir?
Exact batao.
When it will be completed?
377 crore is the cost. This was sanctioned about 1.5 years back. Construction is progressing very well, and we should be seeing. See, constructing a running railway station is a very complex project. You must understand that safety of the trains has to be factored in, movement of the trains has to be factored in. So in a very safe and methodical way the team is working. I'm satisfied with the construction progress.
Vistara News.